Good day, everyone, and a warm welcome to our channel. Dreaming of an adventure? Want to travel and work abroad? Then a working holiday visa in New Zealand might be your perfect next move. In today's video, we'll run through a complete step-by-step guide to applying for the working holiday visa, plus what kind of work you can do, how long you can stay, and how you can make the most of your Kiwi adventure. Let's dive in. A working holiday combines travel and temporary work in a new country. In New Zealand, this special visa lets you live, work and explore for up to 12 months or even longer if you are a citizen from UK or Canada. It's the ultimate way to take a gap year, build your resume and experience New Zealand like a local, not just a tourist. To be eligible for the working holiday visa in New Zealand, you must meet a few basic requirements, though they vary slightly depending on your home country. Age 18 to 30 or up to 35 for few countries like Canada, UK, etc. A valid passport for at least 15 months beyond your arrival. Show proof of New Zealand dollars 4,200 in funds. Medical insurance for your entire stay. Proof of a return ticket or enough funds to buy one. Be of good health and good character, not planning to take permanent employment, and no dependent children accompanying you. You must also be from one of the 45 countries that have a working holiday agreement with New Zealand. Not sure if your country is on the list? Check the official Immigration New Zealand website. We'll leave a link in the description. Applying for the visa is pretty straightforward and can be done online. Here's how it works. Step 1. Gather your documents, passport photo, proof of funds, bank statements to show New Zealand dollars 4,200, proof of medical insurance, proof of a return ticket or enough funds to buy one. Optional, police check or and/or medical certificates required for some countries of longer stay. Step 2. Create an account and apply online. Go to Immigration New Zealand's website, create an account, fill in your details and upload the documents. Step 3. Pay the fee and submit. Fees vary depending on your country, but they'll usually be quite affordable. Just remember, the fee is non-refundable even if your application is declined. Step 4. Wait for approval. You'll receive an email when your application is approved. Then just download your e-visa and get ready to pack your bags. Working holiday makers usually take temporary or seasonal jobs so they can keep traveling. Here are some popular options: agriculture, fruit picking, crop work and farm jobs; hospitality, caves, bars, restaurants and hotels; tourism, ski and surf instructors, hiking guides, adventure tourism; retail, shops, supermarkets and sporting goods; temp work, joining a staffing agency and hop between short-term gigs; skilled work, if you have qualifications, you can apply for roles in your field. Just remember, no permanent contracts. Want to study while you're here? Good news, your visa allows you to enroll in courses for up to 6 months. This could be English language classes or a short training course or even a university study abroad program. Key rules recap: no permanent job offers, no dependents allowed, must arrive within 12 months of visa being granted, must maintain medical insurance, visa can't be extended or delayed. If it lapses, you lose it. Can apply only once for a working holiday visa in your lifetime. Yes, there are few ways you might be able to extend your stay in New Zealand. Working holiday extension visa. If you have done at least 3 months of seasonal work in horticulture or viticulture, you can apply for a 3 months extension. If you are from the UK or Canada, citizens may extend for up to 23 months for Canada or even 36 months for UK in total through a subsequent work visa. If your country doesn't have a working holiday agreement with New Zealand, unfortunately you can't apply for this visa. But don't worry, there may be other visa options available like student visas or the accredited employer work visa. We'll link a video about that right here and also in the description for your reference. New Zealand is calling, and the working holiday visa is your ticket to an incredible adventure. Whether you want to meet new people, gain international work experience, or just explore this beautiful country, this visa is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And if you need help with your visa application or have questions, drop a comment below or reach out to us using the contact details on screen. We are here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Kia ora and safe travels.